Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning in. So I'm coming with you guys with a unit I want you guys to check out. This unit is from UNice. I know you guys have heard of UNice. They are a really large company and they did reach out for a review of this unit. Now, even though they did send me this unit for review, all my reviews and opinions are my own, and I will be honest and truthful with you guys about this unit. So let's hop right into it. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Whoa. So this unit obviously came with a couple of headbands here. Pretty nice headbands. I know you guys noticed that they send the same headbands. A lot of these companies send the same headbands. I have this headband, like 5 of them. But I don't have this one yet. That one's really cute. And a pink polka dot one. It did come with some caps. The tan wig caps. It looks like 2 of them, I think. And it comes with this really nice rhinestone headband. So I'm sorry if my camera isn't focusing. My camera isn't focusing and it's too bright. But look at this. It's like a gold rhinestone headband. Let me see if I can get the color right. Very cute. It's like a rose gold color. In person, it's like rose gold. So that's actually pretty cute. I'm not a fan of the big high ones. If you guys notice, like I always wear the cloth ones because it's not my style, but I like it. I would definitely put it on with this unit. And as you can see, I already have my head wig cap on. I already have my baby hair slicked down and everything. Just ready for the unit. So here is the unit here. It comes in a typical packaging, plastic bag, but I mean the box is really nice. As y'all know, UNice always has really nice packaging. So let's go ahead and open the wig up. So ooh, this is a color I haven't done before in a bob style, so this is going to be interesting. And it looks like it's literally like a headband hiding in here, which I may use this one because it's really cute. Well, I may use this one in the rhinestone one, but it did come with a little netting here. So this is a highlighted bob headband wig. This net wants to be stuck on the comb. So look at this. It's highlighted. It is a bob. I will leave all the information down below as far as the length and the color and things like that. But yeah, very nice job on the highlights. Kind of bronze, blonde. It looks pretty cute here. So it's constructed very well. I love when they have the longer combs in the middle like this, and I love when they have 4 combs. So it has 4, 1, 2 by the ears, and then 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. This looks like it'll fit my head pretty nicely, like medium size. Okay guys, so here is the unit. Super cute unit. I'm loving the bob style. Of course, the color is not totally my thing, but I wanted to show you guys anyway, just in case it is your thing. If you're loving the color, especially for the summertime, for the heat, the length is perfect and the color is very well done. And now this is all the hair, so I would say it's on the thinner side. All right, so as y'all can see, I did go ahead and flat iron the unit, and I did use a little bit of the heat protectant spray, not spray, heat protectant serum. You always want to use some type of serum when you're flat ironing your hair or wigs. It just breaks down, it cuts down on the frizz. I can't talk today. It cuts down on the frizz, and it just makes it silky and shiny. So, like I said, you know, this isn't really my color, but I think the unit is cute and worth a look, especially if you like this highlighted color. You don't have to take time to highlight it yourself, and it's a very simple and quick, easy unit. I think this will look very, very cute during the summertime. But yeah, all the links will be down below to this unit. And like I said, this is from UNice, so shout out to them. And my baby hair is just not acting right today. Like, it's not acting like they want to lay down. I don't know if it's this cream of nature. It's just they're not working for me today. I don't know why. I ran out of my stronger edge control, and I think that's what I need. But yeah, so this is pretty much the review, something short and quick. Like I said, you don't have to wear this wig so far back like I'm doing. Like, if you want it fuller in the front, you could definitely wear the unit a little bit closer to your forehead, but I like it pushed back. I like the look that it gives. But this is a very nicely cut and nicely colored human hair unit. Y'all, I don't like the way synthetic bobs look. I mean, nothing against synthetic hair. You know, I feel like a lot of girls get a lot more views on synthetic wigs, and if I'm sent a synthetic wig, y'all know I'm gonna review it. But as far as buying it with my own money, I just don't like the sheen and the way it falls. I would so much rather invest in a human unit that I know will last me. But synthetic wigs, I have plenty, not knocking them at all. It's just something about a synthetic bob. I just love a human. I would prefer a human hair bob. So definitely check this out. The color is very beautiful. They did a great job. So shout out to UNice once again, and shout out to you guys for sticking tuned and watching this video. So make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel. Comment down below how you like this unit, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.